everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to share your QR in Roblox. If you want to share your profile, game or group with friends so that they can easily join in or follow you, you can easily start by sharing your QR code to your friends. First of all, launch open the Roblox app on your device. Once you're inside the home page of Roblox, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile avatar. Soon after you do that, you'll come across this page. Go ahead and click on the QR button right next to Edit Avatar, and then you'll be able to see your QR code and your profile link. Anyone can scan this QR code. Let your friends scan this QR code whenever they want to add you or directly visit your profile. If you want to share your profile link, tap on the profile link button and then select one of the contacts you want to share your profile link with directly or via SMS or social messaging applications and even email. So that is how you will be able to share your QR code in Roblox. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.